Okay, this is my second bike check. It's my FMF Pro XL 7005 series. First off, FMF Pro XL frame with the stock forks, bars. I'm pretty sure it's a Tioga stem, top load. Then I have another Cane Creek headset. Then my front tire, I'm not sure what kind of tire it is. I think it's a Maxxis tire. And it's laced to a 48 spokes aluminum sun rim. And then that's basically it. Then moving back on my bike, I have these cheap Hassingta pedals, or however you pronounce them. Then there's these they're like knockoff Shimano cranks. They're called like Shugano VPs or something. And they are race cranks. They have the sprockets again bolted on. Then there's a bolt-on chain guard. And then it's a 25-tooth sprocket with a 9 in the back, next to a 48-spoke Alex rims with another Tetraco brake set. It's just a lever brake. Then I have my stock FMF seat. It's like a $60 seat. Then I have Kenda tires in the back. And that's my second bike. Oh, I also have a KMC light chain.